Shalom, מה שלומכם? Thank you so much for coming again. Who is the fall guy in the Bible? Let's see, let us go to our chapter and then check who is the fall guy. So we need to read from the Leviticus 16:26. והמשלח את השעיר לעזאזל יכבס בגדיו ורחץ את בשרו במים, ואחרי כן יבוא אל המחנה. And the translation, and he that let go the goat for the scapegoat shall wash his clothes and bathe his flesh in water, and afterward come into the camp. So what is it all about? This is in Leviticus 16. We learn the story about the ritual for the Day of Atonement. Then the priest needs to take two goats, one as a sacrifice and the other one as a scapegoat. The sacrifice, of course, is for the Lord, but how do you say scapegoat in Hebrew? Let us see that. So you want to say Sa'ir La'azazel for a scapegoat, and it's exactly in modern Hebrew the fall guy you have in Hebrew. So if you want to put the blame on someone, or if someone is just blamed, you are saying he is the Sa'ir La'azazel, or in Hebrew, who has Sa'ir La'azazel. And then some of you look at this word and they tell to yourself, or you tell Sigal, I know this root. And you're absolutely right. This indeed looks familiar because that's the word Sa'ir. Sa'ir can mean hairy, like Se'ar. Se'ar is hair. And hairy, or it can also mean he-goat, or even hairy demon, or a rain showers. So look at that, it looks like hairy rain. But what about the second word? What is Azazel? We don't know exactly. We don't know, so there are several interpretations. Some are saying that it is the entire removal of the sin, like the asking of the forgiveness. And later on, the interpreters, seeing, the mystical way, explain that like a demon. Some demon of the wilderness. Something very similar to the scapegoat is told about the healing of leprosy. You need to take two birds to the sick man, and you want to use the blood of one bird, and then the other bird and the man with the leprosy, they should touch the blood, and this is the way to use the dead bird as a scapegoat. So, I would like to hear some from you, some ideas. And as always, if you like it, of course, you know what you need to do. And אני, as always, מחכה לכם. אז תודה רבה. להתראות.